Hey there, what's up? Hope all of you out there watching are doing wonderfully well. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe of chicken sizzler. With a handful of ingredients, you can prepare soft, juicy and delicious chicken sizzler for your weekend dinner or to treat your friends and family in just minutes. Let's get started. Here I have half centimeter thick and 1 inch long strips of chicken breast, about 300 grams. To this, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, followed by 1 teaspoon of mustard paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of freshly milled pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now mix all these ingredients very well so that the flavors of each ingredient gets infused in the chicken. Leave it to marinate in the refrigerator for half an hour. Let's make the sizzler more colorful. In a pan, I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and spread it all around. I'm adding in 1 brown onion thickly sliced. Saute it for a couple of seconds. Now goes in thick strips or julienne of 1 orange bell pepper, followed by thick strips of 1 yellow bell pepper, thick strips of 1 green bell pepper, and finally thick strips of 1 red bell pepper. Saute all of them on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Seasoning with freshly milled pepper and salt. Mix the seasonings well. Do not cover and cook the bell peppers. We need them crunchy and not soggy. You can see the vibrant colors of the bell peppers. I'm putting off the flame here and keeping them aside. Now let's fry the marinated chicken. In a pan, I'm adding in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Spread the oil evenly in the pan. Add in the marinated chicken strips. And cook on high flame to seal the juices of the chicken and keep the flavors intact. The chicken is cooked and has turned crispy on the outside and is juicy and flavorful. Add in the fried bell peppers and onion and mix them together. Here I have my sizzler dish, which I have heated up and is very hot. I'm adding in a cube of butter. You can see it sizzle. To this I'm adding in slices of onion and bell peppers which are raw. Now I'm adding in the prepared chicken and bell peppers to the sizzler dish. It tastes incredible. Here we come to the end of yet another recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this recipe. Also let me know which of the recipes you'd like to see featured here on Passion Bistro. Until next time, stay safe and eat healthy.